Okay, hello guys. Today is October 4th. So let's see if they did anything since I left. That's one animal jumping around behind there. Let's see. You'd have thought that they would do all these ones, clear it. I don't know why they have to leave something. That means you have to pay somebody to come and do that again. Àwọn oníṣẹ́ ọwọ́ nǹkan kan náà ni wọ́n all over the world. Wọ́n máa yọ ìkan lẹ̀ díẹ̀díẹ̀. Instead kan ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ pápápá lẹ́ẹ̀kan. Because this is part of the lot. I don't know why they have to leave that out. So it seems as if they dug up some things here, down here. Okay. Looks like they did some digging up here. But they still have to do some here. Wọ́n kàn kẹ́ ẹ ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ gé gbogbo ẹ̀ kó straight. A tún fẹ́ kẹ́ lọ sanwó fẹ́yìn kan láti ṣe yẹn náà. Ilé onílé ni ìyẹn kan ṣe débẹ̀. This place should go straight down there. They can come out and say, yeah, she grass me. Okay. So she says you are. So maybe I should just get somebody to come and put this thing down now, so that we can see clearly. There's no point my wasting time. They still have to grade this place. So maybe I should call those guys, see when they can do it. Because although it has its purpose, but I don't think I can keep anything significant inside. Yeah, Mashi Jebu. Let me just get them to come and remove it. Because it's better but she clear right now. Okay. I'll call somebody to come and remove this. Kamashi Jebu. I will be disappointed, Chaton, if they don't clean. Okay, this part is where they should clean it. Include. Because up to here, they have to do it straight down. It is well. The Lord will provide. Lord to help what baby. He will provide. So I'll call this junk people. I can't even remember their name now. Junk remover. Call them to help me remove it. Hopefully, tomorrow. Then I want to put some things inside the house. I'll get those things. But see, occupy me. Occupy. I had more that I wanted to put in the house, but my dear husband has deleted the things. In the house, if you don't use something quickly, before you know it is in the donation bag. We give God all the glory. Oh, okay. Sorry, you're seeing my cup.